Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be trying to keep it short, and we're going to be talking about the two different stocks that are hugely correlated that you should be looking out for on Monday's market open. First of all, it's USO, and second of all, it's WTI. Now, if you've been living under a rock, OPEC, they got a deal, and they're going to be cutting down the oil production by 9.7 million barrels per day. Now, it was initially going to be 10 million barrels, but Mexico was able to cut it. They cut their responsibility from 400 to 100,000, so that overall brought it from 10 to 9.7. And I think that there's going to be some sort of a reaction on market open that's going to obviously affect the United States Oil Fund and WTI. Now, I'm not telling you to either be bullish or bearish, but it's something that you should be closely monitoring. Moving on, I'm gonna have to give you an idea also on different other things that you should be looking out for in the SPY in general. Now, I think that in this week, I'm more on the bearish side. I think we're going to be pumping up, and then we're going to be moving back down. Now, I think that we're going to be pumping up because we also have the Fed that they're expanding they expanded the measures on Thursday, and obviously because the OPEC reached a deal. Now, I think also my perspective is that the deal wasn't as big as it sounds, because the oversupply is still over there. And don't forget that oil pricing works on the supply and demand basic principles in economic theory. So if there still is a lot of supply and the demand is still down, even if you cut your production, the price is not going to change a lot. It might change a bit, on positive sentiment or not, but we're going to have to see. Moving on, just some general news. Gilead, their drug, seems to obviously heal. They seem to be able to heal 2 out of 3 coronavirus patients, which is extremely good, and you should be looking into Gilead stock. And Disney, on the other hand side, they're forlorn. They're not really laying off. They're just cutting people's work to 0 hours per day, so that makes them essentially unemployed, so they can file for the unemployment benefits because they're working 0 hours per day. They're going to be doing that to 43,000 workers. Tesla is actually doing the same, has done the same, over half of its U.S. sales and delivery employees, which is, really tremendous if you think about it. And lastly, Tesla, they're going to be starting to sell 2 new locally produced Model 3s in China. So you're going to be seeing that, they're going to be producing those cars there. So that's going to be, there's a lot of demand from China about Tesla. So we're going to have to see how that works out. Now, I didn't really get into a lot of different things. I'm going to be making different videos on more stocks you should be looking into, especially now that we have earnings season. So yeah, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and thank you guys all for watching this video.